Welcome back to Nuventive at Mesa. In this video, I'll be showing you how to access and use the document library, including file and folder creation and organization. The document library is accessible to anyone who has access to your Nuventive workspace. For example, lead writers and outcomes coordinators can post, access, and download documents in the library. To access the document library in Nuventive, log into your account and navigate to the unit for which you'd like the document library. Click on the sandwich button to open the main menu, and then select Document Library. Once there, you'll see there are a few folders already created for your use. Remember that the document library shown here is for a sample program, so your folders will differ. To explore the contents of this folder, you can click on them to see the files stored inside. For example, in this sample program, we have a rubric stored in our General folder. To view this rubric, you can click on the ellipses button and then click on Open. And it will open the file within your Nuventive workspace. You can also download that file and delete it if you need to. To create a folder in your document library, you can click on the Add Folder button. Here, you'll give the folder a name and click Save. Once the folder is added, you can rename it if you need to by hovering over the folder and clicking on the three ellipses and making your edits and saving again. Within each folder, we have the ability to create subfolders by using that Add Folder button and add and upload documents. I'm going to add our outcome assessment schedule for our sample program class. If you click on the Add Document button in the top right, it will prompt you to either add a file, like you would attach it to an email, or link to a URL. To add a file, click on Choose Files, navigate to where you have your file saved, highlight it, click Open, and then we can click Save. If you'd like, you can add a description for this file. The file is added to our sample folder. Our other option is to add a URL, so we can click on that same Add Document button, and then we can create a link or grab a link from a shared Google document or Microsoft OneDrive document and paste it onto the URL, and then name the document. And then click Save. Similarly to what we looked at before, if you'd like to view the added document, you can click on the three buttons, the ellipses buttons, and click Open. To view the linked file, you can also click on Open, and it will link you out to that shared file. It does not open it within the Nuventive system. Finally, you can move files if you need to by first highlighting the file you'd like to move, using the three ellipses button to click Move Selected Items, and then we can navigate through our list of folders to find where we'd like our file to move to. And then you'll see the file move. Oops. And it will now be in the file where we moved it to. This brings us to the end of the video for our document library. Please check out our Nuventive Handbook and other training videos for further support. Thanks for watching.